So now Benjamin. Benjamin shall raven as a wolf in the morning, and he shall devour the prey. And at night he shall divide the spoil. Benjamin still lives like a pack. Benjamin is a very tightly knit group, to the point where they almost practice tribalism sometimes. You understand? And tribalism is satanic. We 12 tribes, 12 different flavors, one nation. Don't ever forget that. You understand? But Benjamin is actually one of the only tribes that they'll actually go stick together and open up a restaurant still. Most of the other restaurants inside, black owned, you understand, restaurants inside the nation is what? It's Benjamite spots. Because they join together and then they divide the spoil until what? Until that American individualism sets in. And then everybody starts going their separate way. And Benjamin, he said, the beloved of the Lord shall dwell in safety by him, and the Lord shall cover him all the day long, and he shall dwell between his shoulders. Benjamites live crazy lifestyles, man. I talk to some Benjamins, they tell me stories. I don't know how they're still alive today. It's because the Lord is with them. It's because the Lord loves the youngest son of Israel, Benjamin. And that's why they always on their mind. That's why you listen to Anthony B, Bunt Down Sodom. That's why you listen to Steel Pulse, Burning Spear. That's why whenever you listen to their music, they always talk about the scriptures, and it's never considered gospel music. It's never considered something that you separate from. It's always something that sounds hard as hell. You know what I'm saying? Because the Lord is always dwelling between his shoulders. And which is between your shoulders, your head. He's always on Benjamin's mind. You understand? Next slide.